Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today we're going to look at motorbikes, cars, insurance, MOTs, taxing. Yeah, it's that time of year again. First of all, the motorbike. I've brought it in to have it washed and waxed, but it's got to have an MOT, a road safety check. A brand new bike has to have its first road check after 5 years, so it's time's up. And to me, if you take a dirty bike in to have a road check, it's not a good start. So I'm having it washed and waxed. There it is, my steed, and washed 80 baht, waxed another 20 baht, 20 baht for waxing it, and 80 baht for the wash. I don't know what it is, but there's always a couple of dogs fighting over me. Is it me? Am I a handsome man? I don't know. Anyway, once the bike's finished, we'll get down to Soi 4 in Pattaya Thailand. That is where there is a land transport office and MOT road safety check. So we'll get down here, we'll see you there. So here we are, Pattaya Thailand. We are at Soi 4 and they put a new sign up for the land transport, inspection, tax and insurance. Well, let's get down there and I'll show you what it's all about there and show you what you get. I don't know about the insurance, but I'll show you, hopefully. It's not very far down. This here is the land transport office, road inspection, tax, government insurance. So hopefully, let's get booked in. Well, the motorbike failed its road safety check. Only on lights. There's the front had green lights on it. It's not original, they have to be white normal. So I've had to change the front lights on the bike. I've told them to do all the bulbs except indicators. And rear brake, shoes, pads, whatever it is. Change all the bulbs and the brake linings on the back. I have no idea what they are. 530 baht for all of them, and I've brought it to, you'll see this sign, Kawasaki. They are noisy gets. They've got a promotion thing on, but the Kawasaki on Pattaya Thailand, it's about 150 yards from Soi 4, and in here they do repairs and servicing for all bikes, and they're not expensive. So we're all done and sorted. Let's get home and have a chat what's what. Okay, and we're back home. So for the bike today, the motorbike failed the road test, and it came to I had 5 bulbs replaced and the rear brake pad replaced. All supplied and fitted, 535 baht. Includes VAT. VAT is 7% in Thailand. Better than 20, isn't it? Hey, 20% in the UK. So that equates to pounds, £12.60. Euros, £14.20. US dollar, American dollar, £16.50. Or Australian dollar, £22.50. All including VAT. The MOT, road safety, plus the obligatory government insurance. You have to have this insurance to get your tax. Mandatory, can't do anything about that. The insurance is 645 baht. It's a third party road use only. The MOT, road safety test, is 60 baht. The actual road tax for the year is 100 baht. Total was 1,050 baht. I think this includes, they charge obviously from Pattaya, they're going all the way over to land transport, highway 36. They're charging for that service. You don't have to go there and queue up and get it all done. They do it all for you. So it all came to 1,050 baht, which is 25 pound in English, 28 pound in euros, 32.50 dollars USA, Australian $43.60. That's for a year with your, for the tax, road safety and insurance. I don't bother with another insurance for the motorbike. I just want the road third party one. The bike's 5 years old. I'm not too bothered about it. So that actually is a total for everything that it's cost me for the bike for the year, including the repairs, brake pads, everything, for pounds, £37.60 all in. Euros, 42.20 all in. United American dollar, $49 all in. Australian dollars, $66.10. That is the repairs for the road safety and the tax, insurance, everything. Now, going on to the car, me truck, the Ranger. I was quite surprised. The road tax for the Ranger with the obligatory government insurance for the year, 4,000 baht. That equates pounds, 95 pound, euros, 106 euros, American dollars, $123, and Australian dollars, $167. Had it been a 2-door, it would have been a lot less. It would have been about 1,000 baht. A 4-door truck is classed as luxury. A two-door truck, even a two-door with the little quarter doors at the back, are classed as normal, but a four-door is luxury. I got luxury. First time in my life. The best thing of it all, the normal insurance from the insurance companies. Number one insurance, which is fully comprehensive, 9,300 baht. That's 8,999.37 for the insurance. 300 baht agent fee. 9,300 baht, which is £221 for the year, fully classed number one insurance. 246 euros, 286 American dollars, or 390 Australian dollars. That's fully comprehensive insurance for a Ford Ranger four-door. I think that's brilliant. I know what that would have been in England anyway. Talking of which, in Thailand, when I first came to Thailand, I fought my insurance agents in England, AXA, for about 3 weeks to get my no claims bonus letter to come here. So when I bought a car, got insurance, I could show them my no claims bonus. I had 9 years full, everything. I finally got it from them a week before I left. When I came, I was very happy. And when I went to insure my first car, the Chevrolet Cruze, I'm told they don't need it. In Thailand, insurance, you start at the lowest rate, and then as you have an accident, your insurance will go up. Unlike the UK, when you go for insurance, you start at the highest they could possibly squeeze out of you, and then it goes down over the years as you don't have an accident. I like the Thai way, I really do. That is not to say you shouldn't get your letter of proof of no claims. If for any reasons you don't like it, you decide to go back to the UK or wherever, you will have it. So I'm not saying don't bring one. I'm saying here you'll start at the lowest. But if you do go back to the UK or wherever, you've got it there. You start again in the UK. Although after 4 years of not having insurance in the UK, whether they would accept it now, they'll probably have a no, it's out of date, you've got to start again. Squeeze, get that squeeze on. So anyway, that's cars, motorbikes, insurance, tax, everything. If it's been useful to you, give me a like, thumbs up, share. Subscribe, why not? Why not? Would always be nice. You don't have to, but I'm here to stay. I'll give you more and more information as we go on about many things. It's not just cars, properties, tourism, but everything. So, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.